Hey everyone! Today we're diving into 15 essential words that native speakers use constantly. These aren't textbook words. They're real vocabulary you'll hear at the coffee shop, in the office, or chatting with friends. Stick around and you'll sound way more natural in English. Let's start with feelings. First up, overwhelmed. This means you have too much to handle. Example: I feel overwhelmed with all these emails. Next is thrilled. It means really, really happy. I'm thrilled about my new job. Then there's fed up, meaning annoyed or tired of something. I'm fed up with this weather. We also have awkward, uncomfortable or strange. That conversation was awkward. And finally, relieved. When stress goes away. I'm relieved the exam is over. Now for everyday actions. Procrastinate means to delay doing something. I procrastinate on my homework all the time. Freelance is working independently for different clients. She freelances as a designer. Commute is traveling to work. My commute takes 45 minutes. Unwind means to relax. I unwind by watching Netflix. And networking. Building professional relationships. I went to a networking event last week. Let's talk opinions. Mediocre means average, not great. The movie was mediocre. Compelling means really interesting and engaging. That book is compelling. Straightforward means simple and direct. The instructions are straightforward. Skeptical means you doubt something. I'm skeptical about that claim. Finally, spontaneous. Doing things without planning. Let's make a spontaneous road trip. Single quote. Alright, here's your challenge. Try making 3 sentences using words from today's lesson. Can you describe your week using at least 5 of these words? Share your sentences in the comments below. I want to see you using overwhelmed, thrilled, procrastinate, and more in real context. Keep practicing, and these words will become automatic. You've got this.